Oh my goodness, first flight with the Evo 2. And guess what? Look at it out here. Think I can get over to my spot? No, not happening. Okay, so we're gonna do a quickie. But you know, I have to get it up in the air because I gotta see if I have to return it or not. At least I gotta fly it. All right. We're just looking around, that's all. Look at all the snow. Woo! It's the thing about Big Orange, you know, it's very easy to see this thing, okay? Let me go in here. Okay, well, it's a lot faster in the without the optical avoidance. You can see that, right? Okay. I don't really like that optical avoidance that much, to be honest with you. Yeah, that's the way I think I'm just going to leave it like that. I mean, I usually can see what I'm doing, so I really... think I need... I mean, I never crashed the Mini, all the crazy flights I took with that thing, and it don't have no obstacle avoidance. Oh yeah, it's flying great, man. Flying great. Battery 73% still. Of course, it is cold out here. I think it's about 33 or 34 degrees. All right, guys. There we go. At least I got a flight in with it. It doesn't seem to be defective at all. Let me see how low I can get onto the ground before it start acting up any. Okay, there is the little stop spot right there. Now, when you would bring them down, and it'll stop at a certain height and won't go lower than that. If it goes lower than that, it goes into the landing. So, oh, there it is. It's going to land. That's okay. Let me stop the video. Okay, there you go. First flight Evo 2. Yeah, flies great. Oh, I think I'm going to leave that obstacle avoidance off. I'll put it on if I want to make some kind of smooth video, but just for flying around for fun, I think I'll leave that off for now. Yeah, of course, compass. Yeah, we're going to get compass crap right now. Okay, that's fine. Oh. Let me stop the recording. All right, guys. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.